I'm Charmaine Marufu. I work at Severn, Trent. I work within our new talent team. I'm the school's engagement and work experience lead. So our team takes care of all of our new talent programs, all of our apprenticeships, our graduate programs, and our internships. So I'm just going to take you through a bit about what we do at Severn Trent, who we are, and what our apprenticeship schemes look like, and how they run and how they work. So, Severn Trent, we are one of the largest water companies within the UK. So we cover quite a large region. So we're actually made up of 4 different types of businesses. So we have Severn Trent Water, which is the main part of our business that provides water and waste services from all across the Midlands. So all the way down from Stroud, all the way up to Scunthorpe, all the way into as east as into Leicester, and then into Gloucestershire as well. So it's quite a large region. We're a FTSE 100 company, so we're quite a large company. So that means that there's a lot of different roles that are available to do this. And we also have other parts of our business, so Severn Trent Services. So they work with private contracts such as like the Ministry of Defence, the Core Authority, and then we have Green Power, which is a waste recycling company. So they are turning food waste into energy. So if I saw some of you eating donuts today, so they work with Krispy Kreme donuts, for example. So any donuts that are not sold, they're turned into electricity, which is quite cool, through a process called anaerobic digestion. So we are quite a value-driven company, and even when we're recruiting and when we're hiring, these are some of the things that we're looking for in some of our best candidates. So our main values as a company is around having courage. So we're looking for people that are willing to try new things, people that are courageous. Another key part of our values is about taking pride, people that take pride in the work that they're doing. You know, we also look for people that embrace curiosity. So people that are willing to learn, people that are, ready to try new things, because we have so many different things happening all at once in Severn Trent. So for example, right now we have the Commonwealth Games, and we're a part of that as well. And then our other value is all around showing care as well. So we want to show care to our customers and with everything that we're doing. So we want you to, you can start your careers with us. So like I said, we have a lot of new talent programs that we have. So we have apprentices, we have graduates, we have interns with us as well. And so our apprenticeships with Severn Trent, so it is a real job. It's a full-time contract. And one of the benefits with the Severn Trent apprenticeship is that you're guaranteed a job at the end of it. So once you come onto our apprenticeship program, you don't need to apply anywhere else. When you finish your program, it is guaranteed a job, and it's a permanent contract. And you get 20% of the job working time. So depending on what program you have, you either have time with our training providers, or at a university, at a college, or even some of our apprentices are based, we are an in-source provider for them. So you get trained at our academy as well. And then so our apprenticeships, they're different number of years that it takes depending on the program. So some are 1 year, some are up to 5 years as well. And in terms of some of the benefits around pay as well, so our starting salary is just over £17,000 a year, and that goes up each year. You're on scheme until it matches the role that you're going into, which is quite good. And in terms of the type of opportunities that we have opportunities all across our business. So we have opportunities in business and administration. So these are some of the programs that we're running at the moment. So we have apprentices either coming on to these programs, or apprentices that are already working in these fields, and these are all from different levels, so from level 2 all the way up to level 7. So some people get master's degrees through our apprenticeship programs. So we have we have project managers, we have HR consultants, we have legal, so we have solicitor apprentices as well. So by the end of the apprenticeship programs, they'll be fully qualified solicitors as well. And then we have quite a lot of roles within the engineering and manufacturing part of our business as well. So we have maintenance technicians, operation technicians, we have engineering roles as well. So for example, this year we recruited for electrical mechanical engineers on a degree apprenticeship as well. We have opportunities as surveyors, and that was actually a level 7 apprenticeship. So you get a master's degree at the end of it as well. And then we also have travel, so we have drivers, we also have administrators within that area as well. And if you're someone that's creative and you like doing things that are creative, we have a creative team, our marketing team, we do content producing apprenticeship as well. So it's quite good, it's quite fun, and this is ever growing. So each year we bring out new programs. This year we've just taken the biggest intake of our apprentices. We've got about over 100 apprentices starting with us this August, and next year when our apprenticeships open again in January, so they will be opening again in January, we will have other programs. So technology might be on there, or if you see something that you're like you're interested, come and speak to us on our stand, and we can tell you if we have opportunities in those areas as well. So in terms of our selection process, how we select, so we have, I'll say, a 3-stage selection process. So the first part is around an application process. So this application, rather than a CV, because we hire based on potential, so it's not about experience, so we are looking for strengths. So this application process really just allows you to put out your passions, for you to highlight why you want to work for Severn Trent, and it's really, really good for you to be able to do that. And then we also have an online assessment. So because we're hiring based on potential and strength, and so you're not limited by the grades or the courses that you've studied, we have an online assessment to check if you are able to do that role. And so the first part of that, it's a 2-part online assessment. So it's a strength-based assessment as well. So we're looking for your strengths, not for your experience, which is quite good. So don't worry if you feel like, I don't have any experience, I've not done any work in this field. We're looking for your strengths within that. So the first test is more around looking for those strengths. So it's a reasoning test, and then you have a maths-based test as well, depending on the program that you're doing. So yeah, and we provide guidance all along the way for you to help you. So we have practice tests on our websites that you can do. We do video call, we have videos as well to help you throughout the application process. And then lastly, at the final stage, so if you pass your online assessments, we also have a final stage interview and presentation, which is virtual. So you come, you do a presentation and get to meet some of our people in this interview, and it's really great it's just a chance for us to get to know you as well. And again, we prepare you, we run sessions around this to prepare you. So just to summarize our offer, so as part of our apprenticeship programs, you get a skilled mentor as well. So when you're learning and training on the job, you get a dedicated mentor that is assigned to you. So someone that is doing the job that you're going into, you have someone that is dedicated to you as well as your line manager to mentor you and to help you grow in that. You get an exciting induction week for you to meet all of the other apprentices, for you to really get to know the company. We do a Blackwell adventure, so where you go have fun. So it's a really dynamic induction week as well. You get bespoke training through our academy as well, so we run a lot of training sessions as well. And then you have access to the community, so we run events for all of our apprentices and graduates as well, to really meet each other and get to know each other And on top of that, you get a yearly salary increase on your role, and then you also at the end of your program, your salary will be matching the role that you're going into, so which is quite good. And all of that, you're given all of that information on your apprenticeship. And on top of that, if you come in on one apprenticeship and you think, actually, I want to go into something else, or I want to grow into this level, you get a personalized development plan, and we help you work through that as well to ensure that you get to the level that you want to as well. So all of this, so if you're interested in any of these apprenticeship, or you want to learn more about Severn Trent, and one of the things I'll say about Severn Trent is that, we really live out the values that we say. So it's a really fun place to work. People are really caring. Everyone is really nice. So don't be scared thinking coming in as an apprentice, you'll not be thrown into the deep end. There's people that are there dedicated to help you as well. So come and visit our stand today and register your interest, and we can tell you a bit more about the programs that you're interested in, and you can come and speak to us to find out a bit more about some of the opportunities that we have. Thank you, everyone.